How to create a flipbook with Canva. Looking for a fun and interactive way to present your content? Let's create a professional flipbook in just a few simple steps using Canva and Publuu. Start by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, it's free and easy to sign up. Choose a template that fits your project, whether it's a magazine, brochure, or presentation. Canva offers a wide variety, from sleek and modern to elegant and creative. Now, customize your design. Add your own text, upload images, and use Canva's elements like shapes, illustrations, or icons. Ready to flip it? Click Share, then See All, and type Publuu in the search bar. Next, click on the Publuu icon and save. You can view your design in Publuu by clicking on View in Publuu Flipbooks. Sign in or register at Publuu, and your interactive flipbook will be waiting for you. In Publuu, you can customize your flipbook even further. Add a background, logo, and interactive elements like videos, links, and hotspots. Then publish it in your website using the embed code or share it via link, QR code, email, or social media. Want to see how your flipbook is performing? Publuu gives you access to detailed stats like views, engagement time, and lead collection. And that's it. You've just created and shared your own flipbook. Fast, easy, and with zero coding. Just remember, if you don't have an account and don't create one, all the unregistered flipbooks will be deleted within 5 days, and you will not be able to access them via your Canva account. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check out our full help guide at publuu.com.